Andariki Namaskaram, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode of Two States Junction. If you're watching me for the first time, I'm Soundarya. I do a lot of videos on very simple tips, very practical tips to lead a better life, and I do a lot of lifestyle vlogs also. So do check out my playlist, and if you like my content and get connected to me, subscribe button பண்ணிக்கோங்க and then பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So with this note, let's get started with today's video. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வீடியோ தான் இன்றைக்கும் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். என்ன மாதிரி வீடியோ அப்படின்னா எல்லாருமே இப்போ ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் ஸ்டைலாக ஆச்சு. ஆல்மோஸ்ட் க்ளோஸ் டு 1 year ஆச்சு நம்ம ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் பண்ணி. ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் அப்படின்னாலே நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஆஃபீஸ் செட்டப் இருக்காது, இஷ்ட இடத்துல உட்காந்து வேலை செய்வோம். பட் அந்த மாதிரி வேலை செய்கிறதுனால வர சைடு எஃபெக்ட்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா மெயினாக ஐஸ், நெக், ஷோல்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் பேக், இந்த 4 பார்ட்டு ஹையாக ஸ்டிஃப்னஸ் வருது. 30ல் இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னாலே இட் இஸ் பெட்டர், லைக் இப்போ உங்களால் மேனேஜ் பண்ண முடியும். பட் தென் ஃபர்தர் லாங் ரனில் அது நிறையவே அஃபெக்ட் ஆகும். இது ஒரு வேளை 40s இருந்தீங்கன்னா இது நீங்கள் டெஃபினட்டாகவே ஃபீல் பண்ணலாம் இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டிஃப்னஸ் ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ இது நம்ம அப்படியே லெத்தார்ஜிக்காக விட்டுட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடாக போகலாம். ஸோ அதுக்கான சிம்பிளாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், வீட்லேயே இருந்துட்டு அந்த ஸ்டிஃப்னஸ் அவாய்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் நம்மளுடைய பாடியை ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளாக வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக எப்படி டே டு டே லைஃப்பில் நம்ம யோகாவை இன்கல்கேட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றது தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஹோப் திஸ் வீடியோ இஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல். ஸோ ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் கொடுத்துருங்க.
So the first exercise which we are going to concentrate is the neck exercise. So when you're working for a long time, you'll feel a lot of ache mainly on the neck. So there is this simple exercise which you need to follow when you feel the stress, or in a day you can do it like twice. Sometime in the mid morning and sometime in the mid afternoon in between your works. So this will ensure like your neck is not stretched too much, strained too much, and you will feel a lot of relaxation. So it's very simple, like you need to stretch your neck to the right and hold for 5 seconds, and then move it to the left, hold for 5 seconds. Same way you have to do down and count 5 seconds, and up, and you should also do on the sides. So it will hardly take you close to like 20 seconds, but doing this constantly will help you get rid of any neck problems that generally the IT people or people working on the laptop will face. The exercises which I am mentioning in this video are really simple, and it is nothing like a rocket science that people doesn't know about this, but doing it in the correct time is very very important, and being consistent is very important. The next problem everyone face who work for a longer hours is the eye strain, but everyone are very lethargic to look after our eyes. Many people even have eyesight problem once they join the office from their college. So these are very neglected areas that we need to concentrate. So ensure like when you're doing all this in the mid morning and the mid afternoon, you also concentrate on your eyes. So you just have to roll your eyes clockwise for 3 to 4 times, and anti-clockwise you have to see up, down, left, right. You should also see diagonally up and diagonally down on either side. So these exercises you have to do 3 to 5 times for each exercise. This ensures your eyes strain will be reduced. It will again regain strength to work for some more hours, and doing this every day and keeping this as an habit will ensure like you don't get any eyesight. The next main area which we need to concentrate is the shoulder. Mainly off late, like after you cross like 45, mainly for the women, I see a lot of women facing the neck to the shoulder pain. They have severe pain there, and they are not able to work with full energy. So the main area that we need to focus is also shoulders. what we need to do is any simple stretch to the shoulders will definitely ensure on the longer run you will not face such problems. So one thing which you can do is just stretch your hands, put it at the back, and using your other hand give a nice stretch. Hold it for close to 5 seconds. You can count 5 seconds and hold. Same way you need to do for the other hand also. Repeat this at least 3 to 5 times. So this will definitely make your shoulders relax. Next, we are going to check the most common problem for everyone starting from early 30s. It's the back pain. It is mainly because of the posture, where how we sit, and then sitting for a longer hours. All these are the symptoms or causes for why we get the back pain. But a simple solution or a simple your lifestyle change can make this pain just vanish away. Trust me. So what you have to do is a very simple spine twist is what you have to do first. Just sitting on the chair, just do a spine twist as I'm showing in the video. Just do a spine shift. This will highly relax and stretch your spine, which is center part of the back, right? So that will be highly relaxed. The other exercise which you can do is just bend yourself completely down sitting on the chair. So this is every exercise which we are doing is work friendly, right? You need not go here, there, you need a mat or do nothing like that. Just in the chair, how much ever you can utilize this yoga postures and get high benefits. So that's what we are seeing. So just bend down nicely and come up. So doing this will reduce stress at your spine and you will not have this back pain doing this in a longer run. One common mistake that we do is we don't get up from our chair. That's a very wrong habit. Even if you're working from home or you're working in office, you need to ensure like at least once in an hour you just go get a water, walk for 10 meter and then come back, sit hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Also you just need to get up from your place and go and come. So even at working at home, make some timer, keep a timer, ensure like every 1 hour you get up, go for a walk, have a body stretch nicely, bend down, bend up, do whichever you like, just stretch your body and then sit back and start working. Finally, not to forget, drink water and keep yourself hydrated for the summer. That is very, 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 very important. So ensure you have adequate water and keep yourself healthy.
சிம்பிளாக நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாத எக்ஸசைஸ் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, பட் இதை நம்ம வந்து எவ்வளோ தூரம் கன்சிஸ்டண்ட்டாக பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்றது தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் உங்களை அகைன் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். அன்டில் தென், பாய்.